Battalion, the band from St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School and the brass band of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. At this juncture, we would like to place on record and acknowledge with sincere gratitude all the 27 contingents, the brass band platoon of the Volunteer Home Guards, the 1st NLP brass band, the PSF brass band, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School band and St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School band, without forgetting the instructors, the drill masters, and a special mention to the 3 buglers. Ladies and gentlemen, I once again request you to put your hands together for all the 27 contingents who participated in this year's Independence Day celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also proud to announce the list of awardees of Police Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Independence Day 2026. Shri Herbert Garnet Lingdor, IPS Commandant 1st MLP Battalion, Mauyong, Meghalaya. Shri Abraham P. Samma, NPS Superintendent of Police, West Garo Hills, Tura, Meghalaya. And Shri Menlang Suting Havaldar, 3rd MLP Battalion, Meghalaya. We are also proud to announce the award of Medal for Meritorious Service 2026 for Civil Defence and Home Guards, Shri Lavindro D. Sangma, Havildar, District Training Center, Home Guards, Tura.